21. One for you. Ooh. One for you. Ooh. Come here. One for you. Oh, oh, sorry.
Down your lips, like I was saying. Oh yeah.
What will happen if it's gonna be on your lips?
So if it gets on your face or any part of your skin, it burns a lot.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's not very nice.
Yep.
What the glass?
The stuff I'm putting in your glass.
No,
Oh, okay.
So we've got a little cartridge of resin and it seeps into the cracks.
Yes.
And it fills the cracks with the skin. And
Is that what he's putting in now?
yeah,
The
so
resin?
he's putting that on, and then the little white tube that's on his right hand,
Yes.
and then the resin goes into that.
Hey? Yeah. Do we have a light?
Yeah, I like it.
Oh, light up. I thought you meant the UV light.
UV light. I don't know whether.
We'll have to use the sun again like earlier. Right. Magic lighter. It's looking good.
It wasn't very big at the time.
No, yeah.
Feel like easy.
Must have been fresh too, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It happened yesterday.
That's why it's coming up so good. You got another one
What?
right here.
Oh no!
How
I
much
didn't
we
even
charge for
see
that?
that.
30 bucks. I heard as well, yeah.
You might as well do it,
Yeah,
hey?
it's only going to cost you an extra $30.
Okay. I didn't even know how much gonna be charged.
Oh, it's $90 for the first one.
Okay,
and
yeah.
extra for 30.
Oh. This will be a Christmas present.
I'll give you these. So what you do is when you get a rock chip,
Yes.
chuck this on, and what
Yeah.
it'll do is it'll clean it up. So when you bring it in to get it prepared,
Yes.
it'll come up cleaner.
So what is this like? Ah,
So it's
like
just
a
a sticker.
pad.
So you just it's just a
You
patch.
get four
Yes.
of them.
You get 4 of them.
Okay,
So you
thank
just
you.
chuck it on the thing. I'd give you a less folded one, but yeah, maybe should do. But yeah, say if you're driving up there and somehow you get another rock chip, quickly pull over,
Yeah.
chuck one of them on it, just like a sticker.
Yeah. So you drill a hole in the crack.
Yeah, so you drill it about just under halfway because it's glass. It's got like a piece of plastic in the middle of it.
Yes.
So when it shatters, it doesn't shatter. It just cracks.
Yeah.
Right, so you just drill it just above that.
You should have your own channel.
Definitely.
Have what?
Have my own channel.
Yeah.
Definitely.
I like that.
Well, that looks good.
It's coming up right as well. Look at that ladder. Yeah.
So what is that strip now?
This strip here is to cure the resin that I've just put on it.
Yes.
It cures by UV rays, so you just have a light and put the light on it. But what we're going to do today is we're just going to reverse it back onto the dirt, let the sun dry the resin because the
Okay.
sun is UV.
Yeah, you will.
Works just as fast too. Alright, that one's healed.
How do you know it's healed?
I look at the legs to see, you know, when it was first to crack, you can
Yes.
see the cracks.
Okay.
Now I can see that the cracks are less visible.
All right.
The less visible, that means the resin is in the crack. Once the job's done, you'll still see it just a little bit, but the whole point of it is so this doesn't
It's
crack.
not gonna spread.
That's right. You're gonna save hundreds of dollars.
Yeah, we don't have that now.
Yeah, well,
Oh, Christmas time.
a windscreen's a
Spend a
lot
lot
of
of
money to
money.
fork out money for.
Yes.
That's your repair there. Very,
Very neat.
a lot less visible now.
Yeah.
Yeah, Sam, the only reason, see how I wet it and then use a razor blade? The reason I do that, because if I don't do that, when I'm scraping it like that, this, you know, that resin on here turns into white powder, goes
All
all
right.
over your car,
Oh no.
and it's a bit of a pain. So if you wet it, you don't get it everywhere. Yeah. That's done.
Well explained. Thank you so much. What's your name?
Jason.
Jason. Thank you, Jason. And how about the other guy? Good looking guy. They're all good looking.
My name's Sam.
Sam.